Late. What if, tomorrow morning, you woke up and every single cryptocurrency was completely worthless? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all of it, zero. Not a market crash, but a permanent, irreversible flip of a switch. This isn't just about lost fortune.
Welcome to the new episode of What If?
The immediate impact would be a global wealth annihilation. The multi-trillion-dollar crypto market would vanish. Overnight millionaires would have $0 net worth. Retirement funds and life savings invested in crypto would be erased from existence, triggering a
Next, the great power. Down. Crypto mining consumes more energy than some entire countries. With no reward, miners would instantly turn off their machines. Global energy demand would plummet, causing chaos in energy markets and leaving power plants with a massive
This creates a real-world example, the great hardware glut. The price of computer graphics cards, once scarce due to miners, would crash. The market floods with cheap GPUs, a temporary win for gamers, but a disaster for tech companies.
The shockwave hits traditional finance. Major companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy, who hold billions in crypto, face catastrophic losses. This triggers a massive stock market sell-off, likely worse than the 2008 financial crisis due to the panic.
An unintended consequence, a blow to cybercrime. Cryptocurrencies fuel ransomware and dark web markets. Without it, a major funding stream for criminals evaporates. This would make the internet significantly safer from these specific digital threats.
The human cost is staggering. An entire industry, exchanges, developers, marketers, vanishes overnight. Imagine the dot-com bubble burst, but concentrated into a single day. Hundreds of thousands of high-skilled jobs disappear instantly.
The global ripple effects are severe. In countries with unstable currencies, many rely on crypto for savings and remittances. For them, this isn't an investment loss, it's the destruction of their family's entire financial safety net.
So, what could cause this? A coordinated global ban is the most plausible scenario. If every major government outlawed crypto, its value would be strangled. This would be an unprecedented act of financial control by world powers.
The other, sci-fi scenario is a cryptographic collapse. A fundamental flaw is discovered in the SHA-256 algorithm, the math securing Bitcoin. This breaks the trust in all digital signatures, causing digital anarchy far beyond just crypto.
In the aftermath, we see a historic flight to safety. Terrified investors rush back to traditional assets like gold and government bonds. The US dollar would strengthen dramatically, becoming the bedrock of stability once again.
The vacuum would be filled fast. Governments would launch their own digital currencies, a digital dollar or euro. These aren't decentralized, they're digital cash, issued and controlled entirely by central banks, offering stability but less privacy.
On a personal level, financial trauma would reshape our habits. The get-rich-quick mindset would be replaced by a back-to-basics approach. Saving accounts, index funds, and real estate would see a massive resurgence in popularity.
The biggest loss is philosophical. The dream of a decentralized internet free from big tech and government control, often called Web 3, would suffer a catastrophic setback. The funding and momentum for this alternative future would vanish.
Yet, humanity is resilient. New, localized systems would emerge. We might see a rise in barter economies, local currencies, or a renewed focus on community-based wealth, rediscovering value in the real world and in each other.
So, a world without crypto is a paradox, more stable and with less cybercrime, but less innovative and free. A simpler financial system, but one where central authority has total, unquestioned control over our digital money.
2. The value of cryptocurrency is more than a number. It's a bet on a decentralized future. Wiping it to zero wouldn't just erase wealth, it would redefine power, innovation, and freedom in our digital age forever.
So, what do you think? A safer world or a controlled dystopia? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe, because next time we're asking, what if all social media platforms vanished overnight?